So actually just a couple months ago, I was at PP6, which is Patek's manufacturing plant. And that was a super cool experience. Patek flew me out to Geneva on the jet. I got to spend a couple days there. I got to sit down and have lunch with their CEO. And one of the arms of their manufacturing plant was their enameling facility. So basically I got to learn about the whole enameling process. And I will say, when you go to the factories of these manufacturers, it genuinely does just give you a totally new appreciation for these watches. So I would definitely say that anyone who's into horology, this would be a heavy hitter for them.